Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn how to restore Trello board. For that, we will go to one of our boards and then you can see there are few cards and list here. Now, if we want to just archive this list from here or delete this list from here, just tap on the menu bar and just tap on archive this list. And this list will be archived, and as I have archived this, you must be thinking that where did it go? It has gone to the archived items here. Go to switch to boards, and as you can see, this list is up here. And now I'm just going to restore this list. And if I want to restore this, you can see the send to board option. Just tap on that, and the list will be restored here. Now, if we go to one of these cards from here, just tap on this edit option and you can see there is a save button, archive, copy, move and other options here. And if we want to archive and restore it from here, first we will just archive it. Just tap on archive and you can see this card has this card has gone to the archive system here, and you can see this card is on the archive option. And now if we want to delete this, we can delete directly it from here. But if we want to restore this card, we can just tap on send to board and it will be again send it to board, and it will be also at the same reorder that we have made earlier. Again, tap on the edit option here and just tap on open card. And after opening the card, just scroll down, you will find archive option here. If you just tap on archive, you will be given two options. You can either send it to board or archive this, or you can delete. So delete means you will no longer have access to this board. So this board will be completely vanished from your current board that you're watching. So I'm going to just delete this from here, and it will be not also in the archived items, because archived items is that we archive the things from the board. So just tap on delete. All the actions will be removed from activity feed and you won't be able to reopen the card. There is no redo or there is no undo. Just tap on delete and we have deleted our card from here. Now we will just archive some list from here so that we can see how to restore them. Now just go to your menu option, tap on archived items, go to switch to list, and you can see all the things that you have archived earlier. Just tap on send to board, send to board, send to board. And the list and cards are all have been sent to the board. This is how you can easily use your workspace and delete and archive them also. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.